Let's bust a myth right now. Passive income is untold about getting rich overnight with zero effort. So what's the real difference between active and passive income? Active income is simple. You trade your time for money. Think of your 9-to-5 job, freelancing, or any service you provide. If you stop working, the money stops. Passive income is money earned with minimal daily effort, but it's not magic. It requires significant upfront work or investment. Think of rental properties, dividends from stocks, or royalties from a book. Here's the key difference. Active income gives you stability, while passive income offers scalability. But the reality is, most passive income streams start as active work. You have to build the system first. A common mistake is chasing passive income too early and neglecting your main hustle. The smarter strategy: grow your active income first. Then, use that extra cash to build passive streams. Wealth isn't about shortcuts. It's about smart stages. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips. Active income versus passive income. Which one actually builds wealth? Let's talk about it. First, let's bust a huge myth. Passive income is not some magic button you press to get rich overnight. Anyone selling you that dream is probably just trying to sell you something. The idea of making money while you sleep is amazing, but it's not effortless. So what's the difference? Active income is simple. You trade your time for money. Think about your 9-to-5 job, your freelance gigs, or any service you provide. You work, you get paid. If you stop working, the money stops. It's a direct exchange of your effort for cash. This is how most of us start our financial journey. Passive income, on the other hand, is money earned with minimal daily effort. The key word here is daily. It doesn't mean no effort. It means you put in the work up front to create an asset that generates money for you later. This could be investing in stocks that pay dividends, renting out a property, or creating an online course that sells while you're away. Here's the main difference you need to understand.
Active income gives you stability. It's predictable and pays the bills right now.
Passive income offers scalability. It has the potential to grow and make you money 24/7, breaking the link between your time and your earnings. But here's the reality check no one talks about. Almost every passive income stream starts as active income. Before that rental property brings in cash, you have to actively find it, finance it, and fix it up. Before that online course sells itself, you have to actively create it, market it, and build an audience. Nothing is 100% passive from day one. A common mistake I see is people getting so obsessed with the idea of passive income that they neglect their active income. They chase shiny objects and get trick schemes, hoping to skip the hard work. They try to build a passive income empire with no capital and no solid financial foundation. So what's the smart strategy? Focus on growing your active income first. Become great at your job, develop high-value skills, or build a profitable business. This increases your earning power and creates a surplus. Then you use that surplus cash, that extra money, to strategically build your passive income streams. You invest it, you buy assets, you create systems. Think of it like this. Your active income is the engine that powers your car. Your passive income is the turbocharger you add later to go faster. You need the engine first. The takeaway is this. Real, sustainable wealth is built in stages, not with shortcuts. Master your active income, then use it as a launchpad to build lasting passive income. It's a two-step process that separates the dreamers from the truly wealthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about building wealth. See you in the next one.